teens, happy Thursday. It's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries, and this week we are doing a STEM project. So pick up your free Take and Make kit at Columbus or Saluda Library and follow along with this video to make an Alka Seltzer rocket. So inside your bag, you will find some pieces of construction paper and a piece of cardstock, a pack of Alka Seltzer tablets, and a film canister. You've probably never seen one of these, but way back in the day when we had cameras with film, that's what they came in. You can still buy them on Amazon. And the other thing you definitely need to make the rocket is water. So water, film canister, and Alka Seltzer tablets are really all you need. The other things are if you want to decorate your rocket. So I will let you know, our rockets go upside down and these leak. So if you put the paper around your rocket, just be aware that it might get wet. It might not last forever. So you might want some scissors and tape or glue if you're going to use the construction paper to decorate your rocket. So you could cut it and then tape it or glue it around the film canister. The cardstock can be used for the rocket's fins. So I did actually look this up because I was like, fins? Rockets don't have fins. What are those called? But these things that the rocket uses to stand on the ground are actually called fins. So you can cut some triangles and either tape or glue them to your film canister for the fins of the rocket. You could also color them if you'd like them another color. And if you don't want to decorate your film canister with the construction paper, you could get some permanent markers or Sharpies. And remember, your rocket is going to go upside down. So I'll just make some little designs with Sharpie. All right, Jen's amazing rocket, because this is a really cool little project we're gonna do. I'm not very artistic, so yeah, that's what we're getting. But you can get as artistic as you like. All right, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and take the lid off before I put my fins on, if I can take the lid off. I know I can because I've experimented with this, but my nails aren't very long. There we go. All right. I'll make my rocket fins. I'll put tape on both sides. And then you know what's going to come next is the fun part. Our experiment. Will our rocket launch with the Alka Seltzer tablets? All right, my rocket's a little crooked, but whatever. All right, so like I said, you want your film canister, the bottom to be touching your table. You might want to do this outside. These rockets can get really crazy, so make sure you have an adult supervising you. You're not going to be breaking anything. Don't have a bunch of glass around you, and hopefully on this video I don't bust out a light or anything crazy. All right, so I want to explain a little bit of the science to you before we get started. So Alka Seltzer tablets are antacids, and they release carbon dioxide. So we're going to mix a tablet with water that will release the carbon dioxide, and because the film canister is going to be closed, it's going to create pressure. As the pressure builds, it'll eventually pop the top off and send your rocket flying. The website that I read how to do this said to do half of an Alka Seltzer tablet. The first time I experimented, I used half and it didn't work, but I'm going to try it again. When I used a whole one, it definitely worked. You only have 2 tablets in there, so you could do this 2 or 4 times, depending on how well it works. And if you think it's fun and want to do it again, you can find these at CVS or the grocery store. All right, so I'm gonna see if it works with half a tablet. So you're gonna put half a tablet in there. I'm gonna tell you all this because it's gonna go really fast once we do it. Half a tablet. First, you're gonna fill it up 1/3 of the way with water. Then you're gonna put half your tablet in there, and really quickly, you're gonna pop the top back on and back up and see if it flies. Like I said, these do leak, so you might wanna put a tablecloth or some paper towels down, or do it outside is a good idea too. All right, let's see if it works. Tablet, lid. Very anticlimactic when it doesn't work, isn't it? So, okay, it worked. And Amelia and I both screamed. Unfortunately, that made a big mess as well. But you can see that your rocket